Cloud 3D Print's project management module is designed to optimize your 3D printing workflow. You can create a project and upload 3D model files for that project to keep track of the project progress. Using Cloud 3D Print's powerful analyzing systems, you can also keep track of your material usage, cost, and 3D printer status by keeping any and all information regarding your 3D printing project organized. Our powerful project management will keep you updated about all aspects of your 3D printing project based on your preferences. Using our analyzing tools, we can create custom to-do lists, quotations, invoices, expense, project reports, job reports, and revenue reports, which will be sure to save maintenance costs and boost your business. We designed the management system to improve your 3D printing workflow in the easiest and least intrusive way possible. Regarding our powerful project management platform, please visit us at cloud3dprint.com.